Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Bowers and Wilkins. And before we're starting, I wanna say that I choose in gestures volume control, not ANC. So yeah. So let's starting. You can play and pause by play one time on your left or right earbud. So I'm just press and I pause the song. I press again and I play the song. You can increase the volume by press and hold your right earbud. And you can lower it by pressing your left earbud. So I'm just pressing and as you can see I just lower this volume. Next one. If you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will play next track 1, 2. And if you press 3 times, you will play previous track 1, 2, 3. And here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!